has 5 times the memory available at that time of computer. So, what to do? For that, we have to figure out some assembly language routines, which will take less time, less space. So, we have to run assembly language. At that time, there was nobody to support us from the computer science staff. I think there was nobody here. So, we have learned that thing. I have learned that thing and I was trying to write some software to accommodate my programming in a regular computer. At that time, he was also having this kind of problem. He went to that time, they were American professors who used to come. One Jerry Johnson. He went to Jerry Johnson and he said that he is in this kind of problem. He said, there is like a leading thing Miss Bhatnagar in physics department. You go and talk to her. He came and he talked to him about, and that time, let me tell you frankly, I never used to like him. I used to think that he talks a lot. But then we started working together. When we started working together, we never knew that we were going to this. We started working together with public papers together, and then worked out with this. Then one day, all through our relationship, we never thought that we were going to marry. We are friends. We are very good friends. But one day something sparked. And we decided, and that is the very moment we decided. That is how we got married. When I was expecting my first child, whole physics department was feeling as the physics department is going to have it. I was, at that time, there was faculty was less, so we used to take tutorials, sometimes lectures also. Labs, we were supposed to take always. So at that time, I had a head of the department told everybody that Sushma ko nahi dena hai. Don't mean anything to her. No one. His wife was there in library. She used to have the library. And she used to say, the journals are at third floor. Sushma, you will not climb the stairs. You give me the name of the journal, I will go and pick it. He used to get things from him like anything. That why are you taking her on the back of the school? What we used to do is that we knew that at what time he comes. We used to change our route to reach the department so that he doesn't see us coming on the school. So that was the atmosphere. At that time, the atmosphere was very lovely. We never applied for a leave. I gave birth to the child. I never took maternity. I gave birth on 17th of my first child, cesarean. And on 1st March or 2nd March, I started. I went to the department, from the department, when the computer center to the hospital. When I was there in the computer center, they were saying, what are you doing? After that time, I felt that I have to go to the hospital. I went directly from the computer center to the hospital. Because that was, we were doing work. That was our work. We were loving the work. We never wanted to take chutti. We were not taking the chutti. We were never taking the chutti. So that is what it is. That was the atmosphere they gave us. They never asked me to take any leave. They never asked me where I am. What they wanted to do. And what I wanted to do was the work. That is what it is. But you see, there was another thing. That time, today the director said that they want to appoint couples. That time they were not. When we went from here after finishing PhD, we went from Aligarh University to teach. I was teaching there physics and he was teaching computer science. Then he got a job here in the computer center as the operation manager. I had to tag along. My first tag along. No option left. I had to tag along. Then I came here and asked So I started looking here and there. I got a job in BBA college. I didn't accept it. Then I got a job in IIT. Veena knows it, but I didn't accept it. I was doing postdoctoral departments over here in various research, various departments. Then I was looking after this class project. Mrs. Gandhi's dream, computer literacy in schools, secondary schools. That project I was looking at. And that gave me quite a bit of satisfaction because I was doing something for the schools. And the Professor Kapoor, those who are from the maths, you know Professor Kapoor. Professor J.N. Kapoor and Professor Radharaman, they said that if you want to improve your schools, then how you expect good students to come in? I started doing that work. At that time, I got inspiration for writing books in Devanagari because most of the Hindi speaking schools are there. So I started writing books on computers in Devanagari. One more thing I wanted to say, IIT Kanpur gives you a training. Based on that training, you can do anything you like. Anything you like. I have taken from physics computers, he has also taken from physics of computers, and we did quite well. And that time when I was doing PhD, there was nothing called computer science. There was nothing called computer science. But we had to do things ourselves, find things ourselves. Then afterwards I was teaching because I thought I should do something about something for my parents' university. So for Kanpur University, I joined the Kanpur University Engineering College as a honorary faculty. There I was teaching. There I started the whole program. At that program I wanted to teach advanced with IIT. But the point is this, there we don't find the faculty like IIT. So similar to IIT, all syllabus was from here, grading system was from here, discipline was from here, quizzes, everything was from here. So till now, that I hope, because I have left in 2007. Till now, my friends are there, most of the gradings are going from here only, slides are going from here only. So that standard is still better than the private engineering colleges. So there are so many stories to share, but I think I will stop here. It's time also for one more.
Hello.
Still being so patient.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's indeed a pleasure to have you with us here. We have, we are maybe 2 generations away, and we have so much to learn. I think, more than IIT, I'm sure you would agree that experience teaches us a lot more. So,
I have a question.
Sure.
Ma'am, are you still working?
No, I have taken retirement from here because I thought enough is enough. Because my priority is not my failure, not my failure.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, Ashwini ji,
Ashwini has gone out to take a phone call.
So we will now go to our online attendees So we have Aparna, Neeru Mohan, Pooja is Swati Gupta. So shall we ask, whom shall we ask to speak first? Neeru Mohan? Are you there? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, I think I can see Pooja. Pooja, can you tell us something about yourself? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you guys hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Pooja Gupta. I'm from class of 2006.
Okay.
I am currently working with Tata Steel in Mumbai. And I couldn't come because of some personal commitment. I was really looking forward to coming over, but I couldn't. So that's why I'm attending this very fast.
That is so sweet. That was amazing. So we all want to say hi to your son.
She may have some questions and she will tell you what is happening. I mean, just can you, I think it's good that we each have one and if you're
I can hear somebody else speak. I don't know who that is.
so we won't get that debit card, we won't get it. But it will not be operational internet.
I can hear somebody else. So, hi Pooja and hi to your beautiful baby there. And thank you so much for joining with us online. Is there anybody else online? Aparna?
Yeah, we have people in that.
Swati.
Can you please come now and discuss the only thing is the check comes to pay after a week from Monday. So the second is collecting the other documents from us. And each one I discuss and given the object. Yeah, I'll message you the address right away and I can the address separate in yeah, I'll send you the number and I'll send you the address. So because I think it's better that you want to get her.
Aparna and Swati, I think we overheard all your discussions. Can you hear us?
Yeah, hi.
We heard that you were discussing about exchanging emails and phone numbers and leaving us all out. We are here still waiting for you. Can one of you introduce yourselves? Can you start with Aparna, please? Aparna's first. Can we hear from Swati now?
Hi. Can you hear?
Yes, Swati, go ahead. We can hear you.
It's a valid product. You're not getting proper battery.
And yes,
Swati, we are not able to hear you clearly.
We can proceed for lunch.
Yeah.
So please attend and so that we can hear them properly and they can hear us.
Veena, why don't you talk to them? See, after trying to coordinate that with them for a while. You explain. It will be nice if you can just explain to them what is happening. They might really see when you're sitting somewhere and you really don't know what is happening here. It might be irritating and also inconvenient. No, then we will not be able to have lunch.
Lunch is 1 to 2 because the GH slot is there 1 to 2. Otherwise the GH will not offer the lunch. So